Hi folks, in this video we want to show you how you can get a really good quality video using your smartphone. This video is being recorded and edited on an iPhone 6. Because a lot of people think, oh, if you're using a smartphone, well then the sound can't be great and the light can't be great because it's really not a good camera. But actually we're wrong because the cameras are now high definition and getting better all the time. So in this video we want to show you some of the tips we have for making good quality video on your smartphone. Step 1, lighting. Lighting is really important because the smartphone cameras are optimized for daylight, and as we know in Ireland it can be pretty dark a lot of the time, so we often use a white light to maximize the light that we want to use. Now today is actually a lovely sunny day, so we're not using any extra light at all. We are in a bright room, we have white walls and grey walls, makes a big difference, but I'm facing the daylight, which is a really important point. Okay? 2, framing. Now, framing a shot, what does that mean? It means getting everything around the subject looking right. And you can see we've gone to a bit of trouble here with getting the framing right. We have a pull-up, which is a really super prop to have, really super piece of equipment, because it's hiding things and it also is sending out the messages that we want to send as you're watching this video. Because behind that prop, behind that pull-up there's a glass door which would reflect the people who are standing in front of me right now making the video, and we really don't want them in the shot. So, but also we want to use the space we have in the shot in the framing as much as we can, and that's where a pull-up is really important. So make sure that you have framed the pull-up in such a way that people are getting the message that you want as well. Step 3, props. This video shot has quite a few props in it. If you look carefully, you'll see the equipment we're using, you'll see the pen I have, you'll see probably a little bit of this of my folder, and you'll see a piece of equipment that we use all the time. And not to forget our great videotraining.ie mug, all sending out messages that we want to send out in the video. 4, sound. Now this is really important, the sound, because as you know, the microphone on your phone is where you make your phone calls, is right on the phone itself, but your subject can be quite a bit away or can be a little bit of a distance away, and you're going to pick up all the sound as well as your subject speaking. So how do you get around that? We always recommend you use an additional microphone. So I've got a clip-on microphone here which is much closer to me and therefore picking up a very nice sound, and also it's got a windshield on it, which means that if I'm recording outside it takes away the wind sound. And in Ireland, as you know, even on a nice day like this, you can get quite a bit of wind when you go outside, and there's nothing more annoying than that wind sound on your videos. And this is how you avoid that. And finally, step 5, a script, a plan, a structure. Before you record anything, sit down and type or write down what it is you're going to say. And then plan it and maybe do a rehearsal, but go through it and then see that it works. And then, as you can see, doing something in numbers always is easy. Step 1 to 5, great video, great way to do it. Think about that when you're planning your video. Okay, so that's 1 to 5, lighting, framing, props, sound, and a script. So if you want to find out more, go to our website, videotraining.ie. We run regular workshops here in our office in Blackrock, and we go around the country to do workshops as well. And we've just designed a new online course, Mobile Video Made Easy, which is just that. Have a look at our website. You'll find all the details there, videotraining.ie. I'm Aileen, and thanks for watching.